Customers expect to receive their orders within the time promised to them while ordering. This is the first step in creating a delightful experience for them. When orders are not delivered on time, customers are left unhappy. This poor experience usually results in them cancelling a delayed order and not coming back to order from you again. This has a direct impact on your business and growth. So here are the top 5 tips to ensure that your orders never get delayed. First, accept all new orders within 3 minutes. This will help you have sufficient order preparation time. The faster you accept orders, the faster you can start preparing them. If you use a POS system to manage your online orders, enable the auto acceptance feature. Second, relay your orders to the kitchen immediately by printing them as kitchen order tickets or KOTs. This KOT can later be used to cross-check items while packing to ensure all items are included in the order package. The KOT can also be used to tag the order package that helps in identifying it during dispatch. Don't relay orders by shouting to the kitchen staff. They might not hear the details properly and miss special instructions for some orders, items in orders with multiple dishes, or even preparing some orders in the confusion. A printed KOT with the order details is the best way to rule out all these confusions that result in order delays. Third, don't wait for the delivery partner to arrive at your restaurant to start preparing the order. He is supposed to pick up. You should start preparing the orders as soon as you confirm an order, and don't forget to click on the Food Ready button as soon as the order is ready to be picked up. Clicking on Food Ready accurately signals the delivery partner that the order is ready for pickup and leads to fast and smooth order dispatch and timely order deliveries every time. Fourth, make sure your staff reports on duty and starts preparing the kitchen for orders well in advance. This will make sure that the kitchen is ready to process orders as soon as they are confirmed from the outlet's opening time on Swiggy. Fifth, pre-prepare dishes if possible, so that orders can be completed faster during peak hours. Ensure that items like gravies, meats, etc. are well thawed so that they don't delay the preparation process. If you receive too many orders at a time, you can also switch off the outlet for 5 or 10 minutes so that all the confirmed orders can be processed without any delays. Also, tag all orders with KOTs and order numbers so that they can be dispatched smoothly and quickly without any confusion. Following these 5 easy tips will ensure your orders always reach customers within the promised time. Remember, restaurants with faster estimated delivery time appear higher in the listing of restaurants, which leads to better visibility among customers in the area. So put these tips to use right away and start preparing your orders faster.